owned by the Duluth-based Great Lakes Fleet, a subsidiary of Canadian National Railway, and operated by Key Lakes Incorporated, also of Duluth. The Munson is arriving heavy with a load of limestone today that she'll drop off at the Sea Rice dock in far west Duluth. Then she'll shift to the Canadian National ore dock where she will load iron ore pellets. The Munson is named in honor of Mr. John Gebhard Munson, former president of the Bradley Transportation Division and former vice president of U.S. Steel. The Munson was the largest self-unloader built on the Great Lakes at the time of her launching. She was originally built to transport limestone for the Bradley Transportation Line. Once again, this is the John G. Munson, built in 1952, measuring 768 feet in length, arriving today heavy with a load of limestone that she'll be discharging at Sea Rice Terminal in far west Duluth before shifting to load iron ore pellets at the Canadian National ore dock. See any crew members on deck, make sure to give them a good wave and welcome them back to the Twin Ports.